welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace if you are new here, and if you are a returning loyal subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. You are a real one. In today's video, we are doing a Shein try-on haul, okay, because I've been seeing so many videos where people are actually getting really good quality things from Shein. I've never ordered from them before, so I'm a little bit nervous and excited to see like what I can get for like the price that I paid for these items. I got about 30 items, and before like the 30% discount, I think it was about almost $500, and then after that it was like almost like $350 or whatever for the discount. So that's how much I spent on this haul, and I'm really hoping that the stuff is like quality, because I'm gonna be very sad if it's not. But yeah, I didn't buy any accessories, so for my accessories for all of the outfits, I'm gonna be wearing these little hoop earrings that are actually from a black owned company. It's called Dope Accessories. I'm gonna leave the link for that in the description box. And this necklace is also from another black owned business, and this one is called Shop Accessorize. It's gonna be linked down in the description box. So I also wanted to note that I live in Florida, so it is still very much hot, very much smoldering outside. So these clothes are kind of still in the summer season, but we're kind of moving into fall soon. Wait, are we already in fall? I guess we're already in fall. Yeah, it's August. We're already in fall. So this isn't going to be like a fall haul. It's still very much like a summer haul. But yeah. Anyways, if you guys are interested, then keep watching. Okay, so first we're starting off with dresses. And the first one is this halter, like neon orange dress that I feel like is really cute. Ugh, stomach area is a little, you know, hefty because, you know, it's quarantine. I don't gotta explain myself. But yeah, I think this is really cute. I got this in a size small, and it fits true to size. It's a little see-through. So like, if I don't have any underwear on right now, but I think if you were to have underwear, you might be able to see them, because you can see like the little straps that they put in for you to hang them up. You can see those through the dress. But I have on a strapless bra underneath, and yeah, I think this is really cute. I probably wear this with these clear sandals. These have like a double strap, and I feel like clear sandals are a must-have. Ever since I got some clear heels and I realized how you can wear them with anything, I was like, I need some clear sandals because they match with literally everything, and these are really cute. I have feet that are more on like the wide chunky size, so I got them a half a size up. So instead of an 8, I got an 8.5, and they fit perfectly. All right, so on to number 2. This is a button up like t-shirt dress. Oh, she is short. She's very short. I don't know. I think it's really cute. Like, it cinches like here and then kind of flares out up here. You can get some good cleavage going on, and I really love the sleeves. They are like nice and flared, and it's a very cute item, but my butt is out. Like, I can't make any swift movements in this or my cheeks will be out. So maybe I could have got a size up, but I'm worried that if I would have got a size up, then it wouldn't have fit in this area. But this is a size small, and she's a little short. But if you want to, you know, be risky and, you know, risk the wind showing your booty, it's all on you. All right, so I also got this in a baby blue color, and this is actually fitting a little bit bigger. I don't know why, they both are small. But again, buns is out. I actually still might wear it. I don't know. I'm grown, right? But this is really cute. I just wish it was a little bit longer in the back. And I actually just talked to my sister, and she was looking on Shein, and she saw it, but she didn't order it because reviews were saying that it is usually short in the back. So clearly I did not do my research properly, but I still might force it, to be honest, because it's real cute. Next is this floral off the shoulder long maxi dress. This is really cute. I actually really like this. I wasn't sure. I've been trying to like push myself out of my comfort zone when I'm ordering, because if not, I'll have all jeans and all black and white outfits, and that would be it. So this is really cute. It's like a stretchy material. I don't know what to call this material, but I guess it's like ruched, and it goes all the way down to the floor. I don't know if you guys can see, maybe in the mirror, but it stays tight all the way down, and it has little ruffles around the bottom of the dress. So this is very cute, giving me very much grown woman. I like it. And then I got this bag that I felt like would be cute with it, and this is actually really cute. It's really good quality. And let me look inside. Oh, and it also has a gold strap that can go on it. Yeah, it's really cute with this strap, and I really needed one of these kind of bags that kind of looks good when you go to the beach and all those kind of things. So yeah, really cute. Now we're moving into sets, and I got this basic comfy two-piece set. It has like the t-shirt and the biker shorts, and this is in a size small. The t-shirt is cool. Like, the quality is decent on both of these items. I just don't really like the fit of these biker shorts. I'm very particular when it comes to biker shorts. Like, they could be a little like frumpy in some areas, and they just don't kind of like, you know, shape nicely. These are okay. They're actually a little short too. Like, usually biker shorts are like mid-thigh, and these are kind of on the upper thigh. But I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I will definitely still wear it as something nice and casual. I probably wear this with like some sneakers. These are some of my favorite sneakers, these Puma RSX toys. So I'll probably just wear it, you know, on a casual day, nothing too crazy. So yeah. This is the other set that I got. This is more of like a flowy, kind of beachy, girly kind of outfit. And it's off the shoulder. And how do I feel? I'm not really sure exactly how I feel. I feel like it could be cute. I just think the fit is a little bit off, especially in the shorts. I don't like having all this little extra fabric around the front. I don't think it's flattering. Like, it's kind of a little droopy. But overall, I still would wear it. This is really cute, like the tie around the front and the little peekaboo. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to be making outfits out of the rest of the items that I have. Most of them are jeans or pants, and then either like a crop top or something like that. So this is the first outfit. I have these cute, I guess you would call these like trousers. They flare at the bottom, and they have this nice little button. I think that's my favorite part, and they fit really good. They don't have any pockets, which is okay, but they fit so good. And this color is, I don't know, it's like almost a yellow, but it's more like a beige. It's like in between beige and yellow, and I think they're really cute, especially once I put an iron to them. But I paired it with this cute top. It is a little big, like this area is like extra fabric for, I don't know why, but it is a like raw hem tie front shirt, and when you untie it, it's just like open. It doesn't have anything that's keeping it together. You just tie it and that's it. And I got this in also another color, so let me show you guys that. So this is the other color. I wouldn't wear this with these pants, obviously, but both of them are a size small. If they have an extra small, I would say go with a extra small, but overall I still could wear it, especially to the beach. Like, everything is kind of just flowy and free, so I feel like it still works, even though I wish it was a little bit smaller. Next, we have this ruffle off the shoulder tube top situation. Very cute. I actually really like this. This is one of my favorite tops that I've tried on so far, one of my favorite outfits. But I have on a strapless bra underneath, but you don't have to wear one because it gives you enough room and enough security, I feel like. But I just, you know, like to have a little extra support. And the back is out, okay? Really cute. I really like this a lot, and the color is so pretty. It's like a muted olive green, very pretty. And I paired it with these high-waisted flare jeans. And these, they okay. They look, I would have to wear heels to really see how it will come together and to see, because they look a little long right now. I'm only 5'2.5", almost 5'3", so I kind of am on the short side. So I'm gonna try these on with heels and see if they look a little bit better. But overall, I think they're really cute. They fit like tight, which we like. Depending on how these jeans look with heels, I can also pair it with this top. Ooh, she is cute. Yes, girls, give me what I need. This is really cute. It's a zip front kind of. It's giving me like corset vibes, but it's not really like that thick material, and it has the puffy shoulders, and this is so cute. I was afraid that it was going to be too big. I got this in a size small and it fits perfectly. If you guys want to know my chest size, I am a 34B, and I usually wear a small and tops. So this fits really good, and I think it goes really cute with these pants. Hello? Come on, brunch vibe. Come on. This top is just a satin button-up top. I got this in 2 different colors. I'm going to show you the other color in a second. Maybe I should button her up a little bit. But I just have it halfway tucked in, and this is really cute just for, you can dress it up if you're going out, and you can also do like a brunch fit and just pair it with some jeans like I have now. And my favorite part are these jeans. They are so cute. They fit perfectly. They're high waist and distressed at the knees, and I can't tell you how many jeans I have like this, but it's never enough. And this is like a darker wash that I usually get, and they have just like this faded, just like throwback feel, and I love them. They're a little tight around the booty, so you know they like flatten it out, but that's okay. I love these jeans. Probably gonna be wearing these jeans for the next couple of outfits that I'm showing you. But let me show you this shirt in black. So this is the shirt in black. I tied it up this time, and it looks really cute like this as well. And I have on the same jeans. Just put this down. This bag isn't from Shein. This is from Pretty Little Thing. But I just had to put on a whole outfit. I have on some heels. These heels are from Pretty Little Thing as well, so I just wanted to show you guys what the outfit could possibly look like. Real cute. It feels like really good quality, like so silky. It's not too thick and it's not too thin, and real cute. Honestly, I have no complaints. And like I said, I really love these jeans. If y'all see me in the gram on these a few times, mind your business, okay? All right, not too sure where I was going with this one, but we're here, and I ain't feeling it. I didn't even feel like buttoning up all the way, because either way, it's just not it. It's just not giving me anything, even with the full outfit. I feel like this is like elementary school, or like I don't know, it's just really like just not it. So yeah, this is gonna be a no from me. It's giving me grandma and like middle school at the same time. I don't even know, but yeah, this is a no. Okay, so I can't put this on by myself because you have to like latch it and zip it, and I'm the only person that's here, so we're just gonna have to use this demonstration. It's like a corset. I think it's cute. I bought this white t-shirt to go with it. The shirt looks like a very light lavender color, and it's supposed to be white, but I guess it passes, and it's a good quality t-shirt, and this is really cute. If I could button it up. Now these jeans, on the other hand, I had a vision of like, you know, a nice baggy jean, but this is giving me too much bag. It's giving me too much sag, and you know, just like not really cute at all. I should have got a size smaller. Everything is gonna be in the description box, by the way, with the sizes and the links and everything. I should have got this maybe a size or 2 smaller, if they even have it available. I'm not sure, but if it fit like a little bit snugger here and then was like loose at the bottom, then these would be much cuter. but it's gonna be a no for me. But this, maybe with those jeans that I had on in the previous outfit, would be cute. So yeah. Alright y'all, so this is the last outfit. I paired this graphic t-shirt, it says good vibes only, in a neon orange color with a lot of cool text on the back. It's like it looks like a tour t-shirt, and I paired it with my favorite jeans of this entire haul and just tucked it in the front a little bit. And I paired it with this backpack that I got. I thought it was a backpack, but it's looking more like a little purse because I'm not really sure how these strings go, so I don't know, but I thought it was like a little mini backpack. That was my vision, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to look up how to actually like do these like hooks and strings and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, this is the last outfit. The last thing I have to show you is some sandals that I got. I showed you one pair, but I'm gonna show you guys the other pair now. So I got these black sandals. I got these in an 8.5. Like I said, I have a wide foot and I got a half a size up. That's just, you know, what works for my foot, because I know that one of my feet is swollen and the other one is just, you know, like regularly thick. And I got these. They are really, really cute and minimal. It has 3 cute little straps, and I also got them in this tan color. Very, very cute. They fit really, really good, and it looks like the quality is good. The straps are pretty thick. They're not thin. It doesn't look like they're just gonna, you know, come loose, which is good. And it has a nice thick bottom on them. So these actually look like really, really good quality, and I really like them. So overall, I would say that this haul was very successful. It was only about 2 or 3 items that aren't, you know, wearable, like that I will not wear, that I'll probably either give to somebody or put on my Poshmark or something like that to sell. But overall, I feel like this stuff was really good. I don't think it's any different than maybe like a Pretty Little Thing or Fashion Nova. I personally don't order from Fashion Nova anymore because they're just so raggedy to me. Just the people behind it, it's just a whole nother story. But I don't order from them anymore. But this is pretty comparable to those sites that you would order from at a cheaper price point. I also got some bikinis, but I'm not going to be showing y'all, you know, bikinis right now. I might do a separate haul, but like I said, it's getting into fall now, and it's probably going to be getting cooler in other places, so that might not work. But let me know what you guys think below. Let me know which outfit was your favorite, which piece was your favorite. Let me know if you've ever shopped at Shein and what your experience was, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.